Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you two places. One is the Great Sand Dunes and the other place is Zapata Falls. These two are in Colorado. So this is the place which we visited last of our trip in Colorado. Also, after this, we went to New Mexico. So, in my next videos, I will show you the New Mexico places which we visited. So, this one is the last video in my Colorado trip travel vlogs. So, let's go and see how the sand dune looks and what we did in sand dunes. की तरह मुझे छू के तू गुजर रोज़ाना. So here we entered the Great Sand Dunes National Park. You can see the sand dunes from very far during your drive. This is very huge and very vast. This looks so amazing while driving itself, and we were so excited to go there and explore the place. We started around 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and from our place it was around 4.5 hours, and like around 9:30, 10 we were already in this place. We wanted to go to the sand dunes in the morning because it might be very hot during the afternoon time, and we wanted to come out from the sand dunes before the sand becomes hot and non-bearable for us to walk. So here we are. So here is the entrance where you have to park all our vehicles, and the creek which you see in front of the dune is called Madonna Creek. Water for this creek comes from the mountains behind the sand dunes. Water level of this creek will be more during May because the summer will start, and snowpack from the mountains will melt, and the water from that will flow down. So when we went this place, it was already first week of July. So the water on this creek was the level was very less compared to other months, but it was not dried yet. So this will get dried after end of July. if there is some rain, then the flow will be more, otherwise the creek will be dried by that time. So we had some water flows, that's why kids were playing here, enjoying a lot. So we spent a lot of time here and then started hiking towards the dunes. One of the famous activity people do here is sandboarding. There are so many places where you can get the sandboards, and also you can get a sandboard for rental. Before the entrance of sand dunes, there are shops where you can get the rental sandboards. We spent a lot of time here, and then during afternoon it was already getting hot. We started back to our cars, and we had a plans to go to Zapata Falls after that. So also the sand was getting hot, so it was a right time to go back to the cars and head towards Zapata Falls. While coming back from the sand dunes, there is a small board beside the main road towards the Zapata Falls, and from where you have to take turn there, and then from there it's around 3.5 miles, but the road condition very bad. You can see here in this video, but they are constructing the road. It takes around 30 to 40 minutes to reach Zapata Falls, and from there we have to hike for maybe half a mile, and then you will reach the Zapata Falls. So Here we are hiking towards the fall. From here we have to walk in this water to see the waterfall. So this is the same water which is coming from the waterfall. This water is so cold. Also the rocks are very slippery. It was quite a challenging, but also it was so fun and it was so different experience for us. That's all I had in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If so, then hit the like button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, put that in the comment box. And do subscribe my channel. I will come up with the next places which we visited in my next video. So do subscribe my channel to watch more videos and support my channel. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.